To more reactions now to the adjustments of COVID-19 measures announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness recently. At least one funeral operator in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, is arguing that the number of people that will be allowed at funerals starting July 1 is still not enough. Anthony Lugg has our story.
Come July 1, funeral services will be allowed with a maximum of 30 people. This includes mourners as well as clergy and support personnel. Some funeral directors have welcomed the news, but not Peter Perry. He is the CEO of Perry's Funeral Home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
I am not feeling pleased about the whole thing, because with the emotional effect it has been having on these families, not able to see their loved ones go down.
The maximum of 30 represents a 100% increase on what is currently in place, but Mr. Perry argues that there's disparity in the numbers. He made a comparison to the number of patrons that will be allowed at entertainment events.
I can't see how you can put party to 100 people while people are grieving, not able to see their loved one go down, giving them 30 people. I can't see through that. It is not fair. As much as it is important for the party to keep the economy going and stuff like that. But the emotional effect, man, people need to see their loved one going down. Give the funeral at least 60, 70 people, or give them the same 100 people the party got. That is my take.
While there's frustration in that sector, the business community in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, has described the relaxation as a dream come true. Trisha Reed is the president of the South St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce.
Businesses can now close at the time that they usually close. Supermarkets can close at 8 o'clock as they used to. On Fridays, they used to close at 9 o'clock. That is, it's like business going back to normal now. I want to tell the government thanks, and also to implore on the people to keep maintaining social distance, wash hands, sanitize, and get vaccinated so we can go back to having our normal lives.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.